by clicking this link. Then we just have to wait for it to download. The download is complete. We're going to open this executable, select Next, Next. Our JDK has been successfully installed. We can close it. And that's all we got to do for the JDK. Now we need to install an IDE, an Integrated Development Environment. One I recommend is IntelliJ. You can easily just Google or do a search for IntelliJ download. We'll select the top link. Now, if you're not brought to this page, let's say you're at a different page, go to the top right where it says Get IntelliJ, click it, and you should be brought to a download page. This version is a 30-day trial, but if you scroll down, there is a free version. This is the Community Edition, because I don't like to pay for things. Select the correct download for your operating system. I'm running Windows. I will download the executable. Once the download is complete, we will open this executable for IntelliJ. Select Next. Choose a destination folder. I'll keep it as is. Click Next. You can create a desktop shortcut. I think I will just for convenience. Now this is important too. You can update the path variable. It basically tells your operating system where to find the executable files. This is useful if you're going to be running Java code from command prompt or terminal, but we won't be doing that in this series. You can always come back later and update this, but we'll just select Next and install. Alright, and we can finish. We might as well start IntelliJ right away. I'm going to check this checkbox to run IntelliJ and finish. We should now be at a welcome screen for IntelliJ. We need to create a project. Select New Project. I'll name my project My First Project. Select the latest version of your JDK. I have JDK version 23. There is a checkbox, and it's most likely going to be checked, that says Add Sample Code. Just as a beginner, I recommend unchecking this. It'll auto-generate some sample code for us, but we're going to do that ourselves. I'll show you how. And then Create. Within our project folder, navigate to your source folder. It has a name of src. We need to create a main Java file. Go to the top toolbar, go to File, New, Java class. We'll name this class Main. It's going to contain the main body of our code. Then select Class. Now the font is probably going to be really small. Here's how to change that. Go to the top toolbar, go to Settings, go to Editor, General, and you can check this checkbox for Change Font Size with Control plus Mouse Wheel. Apply. OK. Now you should be able to zoom in if you hold Control and scroll your mouse wheel. Now we can actually read something. In Java, in order to get some code to run, you need a main method. Within our class of main, there's a set of curly braces. We'll type the following: public static void main. Add a set of parentheses, then a set of curly braces. Within the set of parentheses, you're going to type the following: string, straight brackets, args. Like you're a pirate. You need this method in order for your program to run. Over the course of this series, we'll learn what each of these keywords means. But as a beginner, think of it as a magic spell that you have to say in order to get your program to run. To run your program, you're going to click the screen arrow, or you can hold Shift plus F10. If we have written the main method successfully, we should have no errors. It says processed finished with Xcode 0. That means everything is running fine. If I were to delete this main method, we can't actually run the program. So be sure that that method is in. To output some text to the console window, we're going to type system with a capital S .out .print. Add a set of parentheses, then a semicolon. In Java, you'll end most of your statements with a semicolon. It's kind of like a period at the end of a sentence in the English language. Within the set of parentheses, we'll add a set of double quotes. Whatever we would like to output, we're going to type within the set of double quotes. Think of a food you like. I'll type, I like pizza. And then we can run this, and this should be the output. Again, I'm going to go to the green arrow, or you can hold Shift F10, and a console window should pop up that says, I like pizza, or whatever your favorite food is, whatever you typed here. Let's add another line of code. Again, type system.out.print. End it with a semicolon. Within quotes, what should we type? I like pizza. It's really good. Let's run it again. All right, here's our output. I like pizza. It's really good. Now, these are both on the same line. To move your output down to the next line, you can use println, meaning print line. Now it should look something like this. I like pizza.